Welcome, here I've got Hammer Iron 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first you have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode and the volume buttons are here. So let me try to use them and see how it works now. And as you can see, by tapping on these buttons I can easily take a picture for now. So let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner, and as you can see it gives us access to advanced camera settings. And here we have the volume keys function, so when we tap on this we can pick how it works, and we can pick from volume, shoot or zoom. For now I'm going to change it to the zoom to show you how it works different, and let's go back to the camera preview and let me try to use them again. And as you can see now I can easily zoom by using these buttons and get closer to my subject like that, and also go back. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.